Hi, it's Sarah here from Crafting and Stamping, and I'm back with another quick tip. And my tip today is about using small stamps to create a background. So you can create your own background DSP by using some mini stamps. Now I've chosen to use ones from one of our kits collection. This is the You Are My Anchor kit, and I love this little kit. You get so many bits and pieces in this. It's absolutely fabulous. You're going to get, let me double check, 10 mini cards, enough supplies to make 10 mini cards. I've got just a couple of them here. So these are quite dinky, but really cute, and they have the matching envelopes as well. So really gorgeous little envelopes. So you get 10 mini cards and 10 envelopes and all the bits to be able to make these. Plus you get 4 of these boxes with bands. So you're getting a heck of a lot in this little mini kit. And then I'm going to use it to make a bigger card. So I have drawn in some extra supplies. I'm going to be using the Calypso Coral, Pacific Point and Pool Party inks and cardstock. I've already taken, as you can see, this stamp set that you get in the kit has got a lot of sentiments and a couple of larger stamps, the Lighthouse and the Anchor, and then these dinky stamps as well. And I'm just going to use 4 of the dinky ones to actually stamp this background here. Now what I've already done is cut a layer that's going to have the Lighthouse stamped on it. This is going to get layered together like this, but this just gives me an idea of where I need to stamp my background, because there's no need to stamp in this area here because it's not going to be seen. So I'm going to just get my inks ready, and I'm pretty much going to keep just to one colour per stamp, as it were. So, and I just want to double check. I think I'm going to go with the Pool Party for my little boat. And I'm going to stamp a few of these around, and I need to be careful because I've already got ink on the edge here. Now it's a good idea to stamp some of these off the edge and also just rotate the stamp a little. I'm going to keep cleaning the edges. That's the only thing with the mini stamps, that you can catch the edges of the ink pad if you're not careful. So I'm going to stamp these around. I want them spread out a little bit. So let's, and if need be, I can just pop this back there so that I can see where I'm stamping. So that's that one. And I'm going to use the Anchor, and I'm going to go with the Pacific Point with this one. And again, I just want to make sure I'm going to just catch that little bit of blue there. It kind of hides it. And let's move that out of the way again. So this is just great for being able to do as I say, some background paper, as it were. So you could use this idea with any small images, and I've not managed to get the edge of that well. This is what happens when you're stamping with a video camera. I'm not going to try stamping over the top of it because I'll probably make a mistake with it. So I'm going to take that one off and just clean my block. I'm going to get my little starfish and use the Calypso Coral. So I'm trying to do this quickly for the video, but of course you can go much slower and be precise about it when you're doing it for yourself. Like I say, you could do this with quite a few different stamp sets. There's probably not so many in the kits collection that work quite as well as this, but it's worth having a little look through. And I would suggest it is good to go with just 3 or possibly 4 colours. I went a little bit off the edge there, more so than I wanted. And I'm going to pop another, this is why I've left things out and just stuck to one colour. So I've got a little bit of a gap that I want to fill there. And I think actually that I want to bring, let me get another block. Just want to bring that little sailboat back in. And actually, no, I'll go with the anchor. This is why it's helpful to just stick with a few blocks. And that then gives me my background. So like I say, I hope that this tip helps give you some ideas, as I say, for creating your own background papers. A great way to use up these little stamps, and it really kind of works very well, as I say, with this particular one. With the, for example, the Sentimental Rose, you could do something, it's not going to work quite as well as a background, but what you could do is just use the flower and stamp it in a single colour, possibly tone on tone. That would work well as well. So do just give another thought to the stamps that you're getting in these kits and how you can use them, so that it just makes these kits go so much further. And believe me, like I say, this particular kit I think goes a very long way. And so cute, these little boxes and cards. So thank you for stopping by. Please do subscribe to my channel below to see a quick tip every Friday, a quick card every Monday, and other videos on occasions in between. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by.